Hi everyone, another Friday, another new feature Friday. So this week, what we've got to show you is something that clients have been asking for once again, and we're always out there listening. This time, it's all about uploading a site. So when clients come to our platform, they log in and they go to upload a site. I understand that sometimes when you upload the site, there's a lot of questions that get asked, and it's quite frustrating to go through a journey when you don't know what the questions are that are going to get asked. Because sometimes you might need to go to other members of the team or other external consultants to gather some of that information. So we've been asked, can you give us kind of a guide or a document that allows us to easily go and capture this information and come back and easily upload a site? Great point. So we've done just that. So now when you click upload site, you've got a video. So here's a video. You can click that and there's a guide. That's me again. And it kind of explains in detail how the process works. Alternatively, what we also have is a checklist, a site upload checklist, which you can click here. And basically, it copies a Google Sheet document, which you can download as Excel if you want to. So let's say make a copy. And then there you go. You've got a guide of all the information that you need to go capture. So if you need to go speak to your client or your team or whoever it might be, this is basically a list. Everything in kind of colored is what we need. So you just go through this process. There's a guide that will explain exactly what's required. It explains which survey it relates to. So if you don't need some surveys, don't provide that information. But it makes it nice and easy. You can go and share that, capture the information, come back, and then just upload the site once you've got it all nice and easy. If you don't need to review it because you've done it before plenty of times, like lots of our customers, then just ignore it all and click upload site, and then you can just continue as normal. Cool.